Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Mighty Max battery. It's the lithium iron phosphate battery to replace the YTZ7S style battery. It is exactly the same dimensions. The big difference here is the weight. So you have your standard battery that you're probably replacing, and that weighs 4 pounds 10 ounces. Or just over that. Actually, there's a little bit of fluid out of this one, so it's a little bit more than that. Over 4 pounds 10 ounces. The Mighty Max comes in at 1 pound 1 3/4 ounces. So like a tenth of the weight with more cranking amps. You can't go wrong. It is so incredibly light. It does have the BMS, the battery management system, in place. You still only want to charge this with a lithium type charger. I did have it on a regular charger. It'll do it, but when it comes to the cutoff voltage, you are going to want to have a lithium battery charger only for this unit, so you don't have damage on it. The packaging has some very robust cardboard that it came in, as well as the closed cell styrofoam in there. So it came very well packaged. It came very quickly. Get it here on Amazon today.